Time is our most valuable asset, so don't let it slip away. Here are 7 powerful AI tools that will 10x your productivity and help you reclaim your time. The best part, they are all free, so let's get straight into it. First up is BlueWillow AI. You know, creating high quality images can be time consuming and expensive. BlueWillow AI destroys these problems, providing fast image generations for free. If you're familiar with Midjourney, then this is a great free alternative. It can generate logos, graphics, photorealistic images, artwork, and anything your mind can imagine. BlueWillow is available on Discord, so you first need to sign up to Discord and then join the BlueWillow server. Full instructions can be found here. Once in, you select one of the rookie channels and type in the /imagine command followed by a space. You can then type in your prompt and press enter to generate an image. After less than a minute, it will create a grid of 4 images for you. You can then upscale one of the images by clicking the U buttons, U1 to 4 depending on which image you want, or you can create variations of the image by clicking on the V buttons, V1 to 4, the numbers correspond to the image in the grid. This refresh button restarts the image generation, so it will provide 4 new images based on your original prompt. In my experience, it might be useful to slightly change the prompt if you don't get exactly what you're looking for from the first grid of images. Once you have an image you like, you can upscale it and then save your upscaled image by right clicking it and then selecting save image. BlueWillow offers you a free commercial license, which means that you can use it for any of your projects like print on demand, content creation, branding, and digital art. You own the rights to your creation, so you can make money from it. One thing to note, images generated using the free version are visible on BlueWillow's public servers. Other people can see the images you create, just like you can see the images other people create. The paid version lets you generate images privately. Make sure you read the terms thoroughly if you want the latest up-to-date information on licensing. You now know where and how to create images for free, but what about text? Of course, we can't have a list like this without mentioning the breakthrough AI app, ChatGPT. You've probably heard of it, right? But how can it save you time? The most obvious use for ChatGPT is in producing written content. It is a text generator after all and is useful in nearly all industries. You can prompt it to write blog posts, articles, social media content, ad copy, product descriptions, YouTube scripts, blog titles, video titles, headlines, and loads more. It can save you a ton of time. Not only that, but you can also use it to write code and the documentation for code, so the applications for businesses are clear. But what about in everyday life? You could ask it to give you ideas for a 10-year-old's birthday or holiday destinations for a young family. There's no need to waste time researching these things. Just ask ChatGPT to point you in the right direction and it can save you hours of research. It's super easy to use, so I won't waste your time explaining it in detail. Just sign up to OpenAI, who are the developers, and then type in your prompt here, then the sky's the limit. So now you know how to create images for free, get ideas, and generate text. That's great, but we need to package up the images and text into something useful. This is where Microsoft Designer comes in. This is Microsoft's new AI-assisted graphic design tool that is an alternative to Canva. As the name suggests, it will help you with designs, but the unique feature that sets it apart from other design tools is its ability to assist you from ideation to creation. Once logged in, you just describe what you want to create, then click generate. You'll see a number of different designs created for you. You can then click on the design to customize it. The layout is similar to Canva, where you have tabs on the left hand side and you can select pictures, text and graphics and just drag them onto the page. This software is really useful for busy solopreneurs or small business owners looking to make quick graphics for their social media accounts. No need to spend too much time researching font combinations and color combinations and then looking for templates. Just describe what you want in detail and it will make it for you. Another useful feature is that once you've made a design, it lets you resize it so you can post it on multiple social media platforms. You just connect your accounts and post it with one click. If this wasn't enough, you can also create animated visuals with the help of AI. You can bring your creation to life using animated backgrounds, engaging emotions, and text transitions. At the time of recording this, Microsoft Designer is completely free, but this might change in the future. Okay, now we're cooking on gas, saving tons of time with the help of AI. But one problem I personally haven't solved yet is turning my insanely useful long-form videos into short clips. Everyone always leaves messages, am I on TikTok? No, I'm not on TikTok because I don't have time. My main focus is long-form content on YouTube, and I haven't had the time to create shorts and manage multiple accounts. This is where Video.ai comes in handy. It allows you to create social-ready short clips from long videos with the help of AI. You get the results in a few minutes without spending a single penny. Their generous free plan allows you to upload 75 minutes of content every month. The most popular type of short-form content is repurposing content that's already made. This is different to producing content. All you need to do is paste in a link to your long-form video or upload the file from your computer, and in just a few minutes the AI tool will highlight a few of the most important parts for your video and then turn it into a short form video. Not only that, but it will create subtitles and emojis to keep the viewer's attention. Subtitles are a big plus, as most viewers don't use sound when they're scrolling on socials, so catching their attention and keeping it is super important if you want to stand out from the crowd. Another unique feature of Video.ai is that it also has auto video chapters. This will give you timestamps to give your viewers a better description of your video. Super useful. Now, if you're a casual user of Excel or Google Sheets like me, the next tool I'm going to show you will be extremely useful. It's called FormulaBot.com. You type in a sentence and it proposes a valid Excel formula. No need to remember all those complicated formulas. It doesn't just work for Excel, but also works for Google Sheets as well. I mentioned casual user earlier, and that's because most people are casual users of spreadsheets. I know a few people who are Excel geniuses, but most are not, so this tool will come in very handy. The casual user can make use of the free plan where you can try everything within limits, enough to get you out of a sticky situation during tax time. They do offer paid plans for the cost of a couple cups of coffee a month, and you can get unlimited usage. But wait, there's also another side to this tool. If you ever come across a formula you don't understand, this AI tool will help explain it to you. It's also more than just a formula generator and an explainer. It's also an AI data analyst. You can ask it to create a spreadsheet, upload your data, ask questions in natural language, and get the answers in the form of a table, data visualization, or chart. You no longer need to fear spreadsheets. This tool will help you master it and make it fun in a geeky kind of way. So now that you're a content creating conjurer and an Excel wizard, you have more time to spend on YouTube. However, sometimes we just want to get the information on YouTube fast, or want to watch an hour-long podcast or tutorial, but we just don't have the time. This next AI tool will help with that. It's a Chrome extension called YouTube Summary, powered by ChatGPT. It combines the YouTube transcript feature with the previously mentioned ChatGPT AI tool. Just click on a button here and it will show you a transcript. If you want to summarize it, click this little ChatGPT icon and there you go. Alright, so that's a pretty awesome extension for YouTube. However, its capabilities don't end there. While you can summarize transcripts from any YouTube video, you can also summarize every article on the internet. So you don't need to read those long blog posts and articles. With just a click of a button, your time is saved and problem solved, all within the browser. Fast and easy. We previously mentioned short form content and how to produce it with Video.ai. Well, this last tool will be equally if not more useful. Veed.io is a full-featured online video editor with some handy AI tools to help you speed up your production. Remember, we told you that there were two types of short form content, producing and repurposing. While Video helped you with repurposing, Video.io will assist you with the producing part. You can use Video's AI auto transcribe feature to add subtitles or captions to your videos. This is really useful as most viewers turn their audio off when they are watching social media. It gives you a wide range of subtitle settings. You can change the font, style, color, and type of subtitles. Not only can Video listen to audio and transcribe it, it can also work the other way and read text and speak it using its AI text-to-speech technology. They have a range of voices to choose from, as well as the voice style, so you can change the narration from happy to excited. My voice is neither happy or excited. One of the funniest comments I get on this channel is how calm my voice sounds and how I should start a meditation channel. Let me know what you think. Should I use AI for my voice, or does this work for YouTube tutorials? I could probably use Video to create a meditation channel because they have stock footage from their library and you can add music from their library or use sound effects. As Video is an online video editor, there is no need to download any software. You just go to the website and you're ready to go. Plus, they give you this opportunity for free, but there is a paid plan, which you may want to consider if you want to remove the limits and watermark with the free plan. Speaking of which, on the free plan, you can create videos up to 10 minutes long and you can get 30 minutes of subtitles every month. And that is more than enough for your short form content. It can also create long form content for you containing all these features we just mentioned. All you need to do is change the aspect ratio so it does look like a long form video. I think I'm talking myself into creating a meditation channel because Video makes it that easy. Remember, these tools are not just about saving your time, they are about unlocking your true hidden potential. But our journey doesn't end here. Technology and the AI world evolve every day, so make sure you subscribe so you don't miss future videos.